Hashtag the marvelous world of magnets. Have you ever played with magnets and noticed how they can stick together? It's like magic, right? But there's a fantastic science behind this magical attraction. Hashtag, what are magnets? Magnets are special objects that have a mysterious power called magnetism. They can attract certain materials like iron, nickel, and cobalt. This means that if you have a magnet and you bring it close to a paperclip, the paperclip might stick to it. Hashtag the invisible push and pull. Every magnet has two poles, a north pole and a south pole, just like the north and south poles on the Earth. These poles are where the magnet's pull or push is the strongest. When you bring the opposite poles of two magnets close, a north pole facing a south pole, they pull toward each other. If you try to stick together the same poles, north with north or south with south, they will push each other away. This is because magnets try to align their poles with the opposite side, creating a dance of pull and push. Hashtag little chargers inside. But why do magnets do this? Inside a magnet are tiny bits called electrons. They whirl and twirl around in special patterns, creating tiny magnetic fields. When a lot of electrons in an object move in the same direction, they make the object magnetic. Hashtag magnetic fields. The hidden arms imagine magnets as superheroes with invisible arms called magnetic fields. These fields spread all around the magnet, reaching out to grab onto things within their range. If something magnetic gets close enough, these invisible arms pull it in. Hashtag everyday magic. Did you know that magnets are everywhere around us? They are in the cars we drive, the refrigerators in our kitchen, and even in our earbuds to make sound. Magnets help create electricity and are critical in many machines. Hashtag a world of mystery. Scientists are constantly learning more about magnets. There are even special magnets that are so powerful they can lift whole trains off the tracks. Isn't it incredible how such a simple object can have powers that seem magical? Next time you play with a magnet, you can remember that you are experiencing the marvelous and mysterious world of magnetism.